take back for some numeracy? Okay, we've hit the number 10. Finally, we're at the number 10 today. Let's have a little bit of a 10 challenge. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to think about how you can show the number 10 with things or whatever. And we're going to have a little show and share with 10. You can use your body, you can use some things around you, you could be creative. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'm going to put a 3-minute timer on, and you're going to have to go back to your workstation and you're going to have to show me 10. Show me 10 in a different way. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. Okay, so pause me here and put on the 3-minute timer. And then when you are done, you're going to want to go around the room or take a look at what your little learner has come up with. A lot of children will just pile groups of 10, which is awesome. Some will just show fingers. Some might have written the word. Some might have written the number. Celebrate it all. Have a little 10 celebration. And then we're going to play the video, Jack Hartman, I can show 10 in many ways, to see if some people actually did that. Maybe they got dice. I don't know, but this is amazing. Not to give them too many answers and to see how they've done 10. Second part of today's lesson is to make your 10 board. Finally, we're at the number 10. We can put it up on our number line. We've made it. So you're going to get a blank piece of paper, and we're going ahead and we're going to make our 10 today. I feel like celebrating, so I'm going to use pink for 10. Here we go. 10 is made up of two numbers, a 1 and a 0. And now we all know the sounds that 10 makes. We know it's a T. We know it's an E. And N. 10. How can you show the number 10? Well, think about the first activity and what you've decided. I think I'm going to draw two hands. I need to move my paper, though, so I can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two hands make 10. How else can you show 10? Now, you've been pretty good at this because we've been doing this for a while. Look at my dice. What do we know about a 10 frame? 5 on top and 5 on the bottom make 10. So 5 and 5 is 10, just like our hands, 5 and 5. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those dice. Just like so. Boop. But hang on now. Does 6 and something make 10? 6 and 1, 7. 6 and 2, 8. 6 and 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 and 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey now, found it. So now I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Okay. What about our tally marks? Ooh, tally marks. Yes. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shut the door. 10. You did it. All right, think about putting a couple more ways you can throw 10. Show 10, not throw 10. Where are we throwing 10? I don't know. On your board. And have a wonderful time. Celebrate the fact that you got to 10. High 10s. All right, see you soon. Bye.